In August 1945, America's two most important military developmental programs of World War II, the Boeing B-29 Superfortress and the atomic bomb, culminated over Japan to end World War II. The successful merger of these two projects clearly demonstrated America's scientific, industrial, and military supremacy. In 1939, physicist Albert Einstein warned President Franklin D. Roosevelt that Germany was developing an atomic weapon. President Roosevelt responded by starting an American atomic weapon program, the Manhattan Project. Einstein also told the president that the atomic weapon might be too heavy for an airplane to carry, but Einstein did not know that the U.S. Army Air Corps was already developing the Boeing B-29 Superfortress, which could carry such a weapon. Costing almost $2 billion, the Manhattan Project developed two different types of atomic bombs, the gun type and the implosion type. The gun-type bomb was nicknamed Little Boy, and it created an atomic explosion by firing a small amount of radioactive uranium down a tube into a larger amount to create the necessary chain reaction. The implosion-type bomb was nicknamed Fat Man, and it created an atomic explosion by firing shaped charges that compressed a sphere of radioactive plutonium to initiate the chain reaction. On July 16, 1945, American scientists exploded the first atomic device at a secret test site, codenamed Trinity, near Los Alamos, New Mexico. Development of the B-29 stretched American engineering and industrial capacity to a new level and cost $1 billion more than the Manhattan Project. The new Superfortress bombers became operational in April of 1944. To carry the still untested atomic weapons, the leaders of the U.S. Army Air Forces modified a batch of B-29s on the assembly line. Codenamed Silver Plate, these aircraft had their bomb bays reconfigured to accept the 5-ton atomic weapons. In addition, armor plating and gun turrets were removed to save weight, leaving only the tail gun position. With these modified aircraft, the 509th Composite Group, under the command of Colonel Paul Tibbets, trained intensively at Wendover Field, Utah, to drop the atomic weapons. When the Trinity test proved successful, President Harry S. Truman approved the use of atomic weapons, and the 509th Composite Group deployed to Tinian in the Marianas Islands. On August 6, 1945, the B-29, commanded by Colonel Tibbets and named Enola Gay, dropped the Little Boy atomic bomb on Hiroshima. 3 days later, on August 9th, the B-29, commanded by Major Charles Sweeney and named Boxcar, dropped the Fat Man bomb on Nagasaki. Japan surrendered 6 days later, on August 15th, ending World War II.